Welcome students, please go through this question and work it out and zero in the correct solutions. So we can pause and wait until people complete. Okay, we are given f dash of x equal to 192 x to the power of 3 over 2 positive sine raised to the power of 4 pi times x, and with the condition f of 1 over 2 equal to 0, with the integral 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx lying between lowercase m and capital M, we are asked to find the value of lowercase m and capital M. So this is given for f dash of x, so I can clearly rewrite f dash of x as an quantity sandwiched between two inequalities. So in this case, since I have got a sine raised to the power of 4 pi x, this is going to be 192 x to the power of 3 over 3 lesser than equal to f dash of x lesser than equal to 192 x to the power of 3 divided by 2. So this is a straightforward step. Now what I would like to do is I would be integrating from 1 over 2 to x. So this in turn is going to be 1 over 2 to x 192 x to the power of 3 divided by 3 times dx less than equal to integral 1 over 2 to x f dash of x dx lesser than equal to integral 1 over 2 to x 192 x to the power of 3 over 2 times dx. Okay, now let me integrate this quantity and show you how. Okay, let us integrate this quantity. So this is 192 over 3. If I were to integrate this, it's going to be x raised to the power of 4 divided by 4. The limits are 1 over 2 to x less than equal to 1 over 2 to x. This is f dash of x dx less than equal to integral 1 over 2 to x 192 x to the power of 3 over 2 times dx. So we can integrate this. This is going to be producing me 192 over 3 x to the power of 4 divided by 4. The limits are 1 over 2 to x less than equal to, I integrate this, I get f of x. The limits are 1 over 2 to x. I integrate this, I get 192 over 2 x to the power of 4 over 4. The limits are 1 over 2 to x. I place in the limits. I can multiply 3 with 4. That's going to be 12. So this is going to be x to the power of 4 negative 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4 is going to give me 1 over 16 less than equal to f of x negative f of 1 over 2 less than equal to 192. 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 gives me 8. I substitute the upper limit, I substitute the lower limit. This is what I get. Now 12 divides 192 16 times. So this is 16 times x raised to the power of 4 negative 16 times 1 over 16, that's 1 less than equal to f of x. Now we are given f of 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So that's the reason we got f of x alone less than equal to. Now we will have to reduce this. If I were to use 8 divides here 2 times 16. So if I take away 16 from 19, I get 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. So this is less than equal to 24 times x to the power of 4 negative 24 over 16. 4 divides here 4 times, and 6 4s are 24. 6 over 4. Now 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 2 times. So this is 3 over 2. Okay. Now what I wish to do is I would like to now integrate. Initially the integration was from 1 over 2 to x, right? I am now going to be integrating from 1 over 2 to 1. So this is going to be 1 over 2 to 1, 16 x to the power of 4 negative 1 times dx less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1 f of x times dx less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1, 24x to the power of 4 negative 3 over 2 times dx. This is what we get. Now if I were to integrate this is going to be 16x raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 negative x. The limits are 1 over 2 to 1 less than equal to, I have to integrate this quantity. So I don't have to integrate this quantity. Why? If you see the question, this is actually what we are looking for. So I retain it. Integral 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to, I integrate this, I get 24x raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 negative 3 over 2 times x. Limits are 1 over 2 to 1. Okay, fair enough. I substitute the upper limit, I get 1 and then followed by 1, and then I substitute the lower limit, I get 16 over 5. Lower limit is 1 over 32. Right, it's 1 over 32. I meant when I substitute 1 over 2, I would be getting 1 over 32 followed by negative 1 over 2 less than equal to integral 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to, this is going to be 24 over 5 1 followed by negative 3 over 2 1 negative 24 over 5. I substitute 1 over 2, this will become 1 over 32. I substitute 1 over 2, it will become 3 over 4. Okay, fair enough. Now the simplification comes into play. So this is going to be 11 over 5 followed by 16 here divides 32 2 times. So that's going to be 1 over 10 negative 1 over 2 less than equal to integral 1 over 2 to 1 f of x times dx less than equal to. Now we need to take the LCM. If I take the LCM 10, this will become 48, this will become 15. So from 48 I take away 15, I get what? 3 and 3, 33, right? So this is going to be 33 over 10 negative. Now you have a 24 and a 32. Okay, so 8 will divide here 3 times, 8 divides here 4 times. So this is going to be 3 over 20 negative 3 over 4. In fact, we could have simplified it there. Okay, anyway, it does not matter. We can simplify it right here. So this is okay, this is going to be, I take 20 as LCM, I get 15. I 20 as the LCM, this is going to be 3, not 15. 3 and 5, 15, right? So if I were to subtract this, is going to be negative 12 over 20, and 4 divides here 5 times, 4 divides here 3 times, so negative 3 over 5. Okay, so this is less than equal to 33 over 10 negative, you have a negative 3 over 5 already coming in, but there is a positive sign, so it's going to be 3 over 5 with a positive sign. Okay, so we will have to go to the next side. Go to the next side and see what's going on. So now we have to simplify this. 11 over 5 negative of 1 over 10 negative 1 over 2 less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 33 over 10 positive 3 over 5. So this can be simplified taking 10 as the LCM. You get 1 negative 5, and that's going to be 11 over 5 negative 4. This is going to be positive 4 over 10. So if I were to take 10 as the LCM, I get 22 positive 4, which is nothing but 26 over 10. This is what I get. So less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to LCM is 10. So this is 33 positive 6 less than equal to integral 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to, this is 39 over 10, right? So this is less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 39 over 10. Just for sake of consistency, I am writing these terms. 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 39 over 10. So what do we have here? We have 26 over 10 less than equal to 1 over 2 to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 39 over 10. So what is this?